Good morning, everyone. I, Mohammed Shahid Rahman from class 3 Below, and my friends warmly welcome the respected principal, vice principal, teachers, students, and school workers to this special morning. You must be thinking that what's so special about this morning? Well, every day is special if you think so. Every moment is memorable if you feel so. Every day is unique if you see so, and life is wonderful if you live so. So let's start this beautiful morning with the recitation of Holy Quran. And I want to thank all the participants of today's assembly. You all performed the task with grace and enthusiasm. I also want to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to all the teachers and the principal of the school for what they do to improve our knowledge. Thank you for inspiring us to achieve our dreams every day. Now I request you all to stand straight for the national anthem and have a good day. Thank you.